Hello, my sweet friends. Today we're talking about picking up your clutter and doing it quick. You know, sometimes, all the time, I talk about doing a declutter where you're throwing away, putting away, giving away. You're thinking about, do you need, love, use, want these items or not? Today we're going to talk about a quickie. We're going to go in and we're just going to clear that little area real quick. Boom. What we're not going to do is take that stuff and go deposit it in the back room where we have all the other stuff deposited. We're actually going to take that stuff and say, this is trash, 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 and this is put away. And I'm not going to worry about giveaway today. I just want to clear this area. Let's take care of it quick. I will challenge you to give 3 things away. See if you can give 3 things away from your little quickie. And you can do a quickie every time you turn around and make a difference in your house. So we're passing it up, we're picking it up, not passing it up, and we're doing a quickie. Have a great day.